Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, December 19th of 2018. Today is a very busy day happening here at Perry Elementary. We do have our kindergarten and first grade sing-alongs happening today at 1:15 in the gym. At this point in time, teachers, just to let you know that we're just going to have it with parents for this year, so we won't invite the whole student body, just because we want to make sure we have enough people, enough places for parents to sit. So we'll kind of gauge how this year goes, because this is the first year we're doing it this way, and then see how future years will go after that. December birthdays for today. We do have Logan Tracy's birthday, so happy birthday to you. Also, I missed one the other day, so Shane Weber, happy birthday to you. Your birthday was on the 17th on Monday. I missed you in my list, so I apologize about that. Lunch choices for today, we have pancakes with sausage, grilled barbecue chicken sandwich, or Italian sub. And today I have some kindergarten girls here from Mrs. Green's class who are going to talk about what things not to do and making sure that you show respect.
Okay, and the students today thought for our pause that we talk about things that you could do to make sure that you're not doing to make sure you show respect. So these are the things you do not want to do.
No fighting, no kicking, no being mean.
Good job, girls. Thank you very much.
And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, for our Pledge of Allegiance today, we have 3 students from Mrs. Green's kindergarten class. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, girls, very much for the Pledge of Allegiance. They were kind of a quiet group, so I kind of had to help them out along there. So everyone have a great day. So it's a couple more days until Christmas break. I know all of you are getting very excited about Christmas coming, so let's make some great choices today and make sure we stay on Santa's good list, of course.